Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the installer. Download the correct Zorin ISO for your system and write it to a USB stick with Baelna Etcher or Rufus. Make sure you have at least 4 GB free on the target drive and a working internet connection for updates. Once the USB is ready, reboot into BIOS or UEFI and set USB as the first boot device. If Secure Boot blocks it, temporarily disable Secure Boot. Now boot the USB to reach the Zorin welcome screen. You will follow the on-screen installer. Select language, keyboard layout, and time zone so the system behaves correctly. When prompted, pick installation type. Use entire disk for simplicity or manual partitioning if you need root, swap, and home separated. Create your primary user and strong password. Optionally enable disk encryption for privacy. Make sure to install third-party drivers and multimedia codecs when offered, and opt into automatic updates to keep the system secure. The installer proceeds and copies files. After installation completes, reboot and remove the USB so the system boots from the new drive. You should land at the Zorin desktop. Once logged in, run Software Updater, enable proprietary drivers if necessary, and tweak display, power, and privacy settings to match your workflow. If something goes wrong, first check /var/log/syslog and dmesc for errors. Then boot the recovery mode to repair packages or reinstall the grub bootloader from a live USB. This fixes most common failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.